Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to improve audio and remove background noise in CapCut. Okay, open your CapCut app and new project. Select any video like number 1. This is English speech video. It is a tester video. Okay, click on the video section and scroll right side to find
Poverty is intolerable in a world of plenty.
Find this noise option. It will be there, this noise option. Okay, split it and half an video to set this noise clip. Then you know between this noise and noise. Apply the filter of this noise. Turn on.
As a Colombian citizen, inequality is a concept that sadly one becomes very familiar with at a very young age. It's a country like many.
Okay, start.
Poverty is intolerable in a world of plenty. As a Colombian citizen, inequality is a concept that sadly one becomes very familiar with at a very young age.
Okay, you see how to improve your audio background from this noise in CapCut. This is how to use to this noise button is on. Thank you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.